Alrighty guys, rad performance. So we just got that T-top in over there. So we're gonna do a quick video to show you guys how the T-top adjustments work, because these are pretty unuser friendly in our opinion. So first you'll notice that this we have out, it's down there on the floor. So you have these plastic pieces on the front and the back of your T-tops. They have two small little 8mm bolts. They have a little hole for the trim piece, which is in on the other side, which will go in last because you can't adjust it. So we just loosen these two and you'll see that this moves. So we just move this up into where we kind of need it. I'm going to tighten them down and then we're going to check for fitment with him out, so that we make sure that this guy is good. So we can put that guy in and then adjust it accordingly so that we can get everything in. Want me to go under and check him?
Yeah.
It felt like he kind of went in. Very weird. He has to go to the right more, but actually I understand why, because I could adjust these two bolts here.
Yeah.
Because it was out.
Yeah.
So it looks like, do it again one more time. Yeah, it looks like
the up and down is good. I would say adjust
the up and down is good. So yeah, let me just do the side to side motion with these two bolts.
Even
though, yeah, lock it fully. Does it lock?
Yeah, absolutely. I can feel it. It's a lot softer.
Okay.
So now it's locked all the way.
Let go of it.
Let go of the roof? Okay.
Of the, or is that, yeah, that should be good enough, right? How's the gapping? It's...
The gap?
Is everything all right?
No, he's the same, really.
Okay, cool. No, I'm going to send him in then.
I'm thinking we could push it down more. But
yeah.
I'd rather adjust the
we could
basket.
Adjust it also with the actual plastic instead.
I just don't want to squash the shit out of it. But I think we could put this down more because it's kind of high, a little bit high. But that's, we're going to make it harder for us to close it, but we could do that. Okay. But the left to right, adjust.
Yeah, okay. Very good. Okay.
Do you want to make it tighter? Do you want to open it? And because it's really easy compared, see, I'm not even holding it.
Yeah.
Do you want to make it a little lower so we can make it
tighter
then on the weather stripping?
We'd push him down to go a little bit lower. Okie dokie. Yeah, let's give that a shot.
See, it's off. Oh no, this is almost the same.
It's similar, but yeah, it's just a little bit different than the other side.
Yeah. Tighter.
Is it the front that's tight or is it the back that's tight? Well, I guess we'll find out.
This?
Yeah, it's not as symmetrical as the other side.
Yeah.
But maybe with the back in, it might bring it forward because you're going to have the plastic pushing it.
Well, actually, I need it to go back more because the T-tops don't align. See them? I'm being super anal because I don't know if GM can.
I don't think they,
But I think
it's just, to me, this is the only big gap up here.
I think it was the same, though.
But it might be the same on the other side because they taper, so we don't know.
I think we're good. Let's put the back in.
Alrighty, guys. So I just put that in right here. You'll see, you try to keep it somewhat in line with the drip rail, just a little bit above, just a little bit below. This, then you loosen these and then you get to pivot it properly depending on what happens in your T-top. So now we're going to set this down. Is it too high?
I think you're right. I think it's hitting it now.
Try to bring them forward or anything.
It's hitting.
But yeah, maybe we'll adjust them down. It was a little bit high. Usually we try to
He's hitting something because he hits like almost here, almost. It sounded like.
Yeah, it might be just a little bit too up with this, so we'll bring him down a tad. Yep. As soon as I cracked him, he dropped. So let's see about that. I might have had him forced up just a little too much. So now if we give him a try, might have some better luck. He didn't make noise, that's better.
Yeah, he must be hitting because he's not going in like he was.
So we just got this guy in good. We have him tilted towards the way it likes to meet the T-top. So this guy we're gonna go ahead and call good, and now we're just gonna play with him a little bit more because we did have to tap, and this is basically all new. The other stuff is a little bit more factory to the car, but basically you just want to make sure that your adjustments are right, and just, you know, trial and error. That's just how all these fit and finish things go whenever you get to this stage of the project. If you guys like the tips, if you want to see anything more on this, just please drop them in the comments. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to Rad Performance. Thank you guys, and we'll see you in the next one.
We all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe we can do anything?